Hello everyone, I am Amit. I am pursuing Bachelor's of Physiotherapy. I heartily thanks to ePhysicon for such an amazing platform to show skills and talents. I am presenting a paper on title Ill Effects of Compact Attires and Accessories on Body. As we all know, clothing are also known as attires, and apparels are the items worn on the body which protect us from various harsh conditions, UV rays, etc. It is different according to the geographical conditions, body type, and gender. But according to time and trends, especially in India, when we accepted the Western culture, it can lead to various medical conditions and ill effects on posture. Many studies are going through this attires and accessories of men and women. For women, especially shave wears, pencil skirts, leggies, giant handbags, pointed heels and shoes. For men, skinny jeans, gym trousers, tight gym trousers. Wallet on buttocks, waist belt, tight shoes can lead to various medical condition. But please remember, I am talking about for longer duration. I am not talking about for shorter duration. It can lead for if we wear it for longer duration. History, if I'm talking about the history, as we all know, by the time of French Revolution, girls were tightly laced and dressed staits and corsets. These were tight dresses which stiff their neck too. These dresses restrict the growth, which hampered their blood circulation, muscle remains underdeveloped, and spine got bent. Females complained of acute weakness, felt exertion, and faint. By 1870s, they simplified dresses and shortened skirts and abandoned corsets. Outfit, what are the outfits you should avoid? पेंसिल स्कर्ट्स, स्पेशली जो एयर होस्टेस होती हैं हमारी, पेंसिल स्कर्ट्स वियर करती हैं. क्या इट कैन लीड टू क्लैम्प नीज टुगेदर, डिफिकल्ट टू बैलेंस एंड बैंड, लिमिटेड मूवमेंट, डिस्क प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. स्पैंक्स विच ऑल्सो कॉल्ड shave wears, usually wears by the models and athletes to remain their body in shape. It can it can restrict breathing and pills and direct load on spine. Skinny jeans can lead to nerve compression, limited movement, especially wear by the men's. Heavy necklace can lead to neck tension, pain, slouch posture. Wallets on buttocks, pain, sciatic nerve compression, piriformis syndrome. So wallet हमें कभी भी पीछे नहीं रखना चाहिए. It always should keep in front pocket because जो हमारा sciatic nerve compression होता है या piriformis syndrome होता है, उसमें ज़्यादा चांसेस होते हैं इसकी वजह से. हैवी हैंडबैग्स जो वुमेन्स कैरी करती हैं, इट कैन लीड टू प्रेशर ऑन शोल्डर, अनइवन शोल्डर, स्कॉलियोसिस. एक साइड हैवी होने की वजह से जो हमारे शोल्डर्स हैं वो अनइवन हो जाते हैं एंड ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए होता है, तो फिर ये स्कॉलियोसिस में लीड कर सकता है. वेस्ट बेल्ट से अगर हम पहनते हैं तो बैक एक हो सकता है, स्टमक एक हो सकता है, क्योंकि एब्डोमिनल मसल्स पे क्या होता है, कंप्रेशन बढ़ता है हमारा. हील्स एंड टाइट शूज़, वुमेन्स और मेंस जो टाइट शूज़ पहनते हैं या वुमेन्स जो हील्स पहनती हैं, उनमें ज़्यादातर देखा गया है एंकल पेन होता है, अकाइलस टेंडन टाइटनेस होती है, शॉर्टर काफ मसल्स होती हैं या फिर टाइट होती हैं, क्योंकि एंगल हैज़ बीन चेंज. जो नॉर्मल एंगल होता है हमारा उससे डिफरेंट हो जाता है. और ये भी देखा गया है क्योंकि जब हमारा वेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है बॉडी का, तो उसमें जो पूरा वेट है हमारा टो पे आ जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू हील और टो का जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है वो पूरा टो की साइड चला जाता है हमारा. व्हाट आर द इफेक्ट्स ऑन वेरियस सिस्टम्स ऑफ बॉडी? डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पे जो डॉक्टर जैमी कॉफमैन हैं, ऑथर ऑफ रिफ्लक्स डाइट कुक बुक एंड क्योर, उन्होंने बताया कि tight fit clothes, it can lead to adverse effects. It causes digestion problems, stomach ache, acid reflux. Nervous system, tight fitted clothes causes myalgia paresthetica, numbness in pain, numbness in legs, and poor blood circulation. It can also known as tight pant syndrome. Heart, it can cause chronic heartburn due to acid reflux and digestion of food are not proper. Breast, according to a medical study, women who wore a bra 24 hours a day had a much higher chances of developing breast cancer and others. Breast tenderness also. Genital area, wearing tight undergarments to bacteria develop due to constant rubbing between material and skin. Skin can unwanted tissue cluster in skin and a fungal infection. Bladder pain, constant need to be used to bathroom could also be caused by pesky tight clothes. A survey in Australia found that 13% of women who admitted to wearing skinny jeans also complained about bladder problems. It can lead to metriosis also है आपको. Now I'm talking about the recent facts. 30% person admitted that they experience discomfort when they wear the tight clothing. Half of men who wear tight jeans feels tension in groin. Over 25% of population suffered from bladder problems who wear tight clothing. Everyone man in 5 men experienced twisted testicles. Every 1 in 4 guys who wore tight and skinny jeans simply to look good and fit despite of discomfort. If I'm talking about the researchers, effect of 3 researches has been done within, if I'm talking 2 or 3 years, last 3 years. Effect of tight clothes on cervical and thoracic spine during abduction. It is published in Journal of Physical Therapy Sciences on 20 March 2019. This research was done on 10 healthy males. The subjects performed 2 shoulder abduction trials for each 2 jacket wearing conditions. And the result is upper and middle trapezius muscles activities during shoulder abduction were significantly increased under tight jacket, but lower trapezius and serratus anterior activities decrease under tight jacket. This study will suggest as that normal scapular movement did not occur sufficiently when we wearing tight jackets. From this study, it is clear. And effect of wearing tight pants on the trunk flexion and pelvic tilting angles in the stand to sit movements of seated posture. Also the same result, the trunk flexion and posterior pelvic tilting angles during movements significantly increase compared to genital pants. Effect of wearing waist belt and longer duration. If I'm talking about the alternatives, avoid wearing tight attires and accessories for longer duration. Wear stretchable clothes. If possible, wear Indian traditional dresses. Wear kurta pajama. Wallet on front pockets. As you all know, precaution is better than cure. So take precautions. Thank you.